Welcome back for another video. This is going to be the second video in the series of the Poor Boys RC 2025 Speedrun Challenge. This year the challenge is based either around the Grasshopper or the original Hornet. I've gone for the Grasshopper. I've done one video so far. We just did a quick test run. We built the car completely box stock, and all that was in there was a standard 380 motor, bushings. The only mod we've got on the back, you can just about see there, we've got a wheelie bar on there for future use. But what we've done, we've left the car completely the same as it was before, except we've swapped out the rather weedy 380 motor and we've popped in a Superstock TZ. All the bushings are in there the same, nothing has changed. We're running the stock 18 tooth pinion. Hopefully we should get a nice little bump on speed from the first run. So what we'll do to make this official, so inside, I don't know if we can really see, we've got the standard 1060 ESC. It's pretty difficult to see in there. So we have the Superstock TZ in the bottom. Battery is just a regular nickel metal hydride. Sorry, it's upside down. So we're just running a standard battery. We're not even running 2S yet. We'll leave that for a future update. So we'll pop that back on. So standard suspension. Everything is as it should be straight out of the box. So we've got the GNSS set up in the car, so we'll get the car switched on. So single beep, nickel metal hydride. Alright, so here we go. Track mode. Start. So if we pick the car up, we should see some numbers move. There we go, so we're tracking okay. So right, let's see how we do. 11 miles an hour to beat. Right, okay, that went better than expected. Didn't have any accidents. Right, so here we go. So stop, read, look at that, 25 miles an hour. So just to recap again, stock car, all on bushings, nothing in the way of bearings at all yet. So we'll turn the car back over again just so as we can see the battery. There goes, an Absima 5100 nickel metal hydride 7.2 volt, and inside say 2 wires. Can't really see very well, sorry, the light's sort of going a bit. 2 wires to the motor, and I think the white's playing all havoc with the auto white balance. But yeah, it's just about seeing there the 1060 ESC. Right, I think we'll leave that there. Not the most professional or best run ever, but yeah, we're happy with 25, just for changing from the stock 380 to the 540 Superstock TZ. What we'll do, I've got some other motors at home, so what we'll do, we'll gradually put more powerful motors in. It'll be interesting to keep it standard and then just see how far we can go just by changing the motor. But yeah, that's for future. Anyway, thanks for watching. Drop a thumbs up if you happen to like the video. I'll look forward to watching some other people's videos out there. But for a first run, we're happy with that. Thanks very much. Take care. Bye.